Roll up for the magical mystery tour. Step right up. How's it going, folks? So we're going on a little mystery tour today. Our first port of call is this place right here. It's the Samui Cats and Dogs Rescue Centre. There's Boss making friends already. Come here. And here's Jenny. As you can see, the two of us are sporting our matching Viper Room t-shirts as homage to Rob, who's back in Wales. Living in Koh Samui for the past couple of months with no Viper Room. It's not a very pleasant experience, but then again it could be a blessing in disguise as it keeps me out of the doghouse. Yeah, friends, Boss. Just want to say hi. Yes, too many. So this is the Koh Samui Cats and Dogs Rescue Centre. It's in Talin Ngam, just off the main road. You can't really miss it. You go down a little dirt track, there's a big sign for it. All the unfortunate dogs and cats who have no home and are waiting to be rescued. Let's have a look over here, shall we? Hello. Hello. Oh, we got more over here. These ones are more friendlier. Ah, look at him. Hello. You got cute little eyes, haven't you? You got cute little eyes. You're friendly, aren't you? Ah, poor little fellas. No family to take care of them. And they're waiting to be rescued. So folks, if you're looking for a canine companion and you want to help a little fella who's in need, come on over here to Talin Ngam, Koh Samui, to the rescue centre. Right there, bud. Hop along. Come on. Let's see how you get by in 3 legs. Yeah, definitely make a donation. Happy to do that. There you are. Yeah. He's scared, is he? Boss, are you scared, are you? Good boy. Want to say hi also? Right. There. What? No leg yet. This one's nice, isn't he? Hey, yeah. What's his name? Yeah, that nice. How's that?
it for a 15 cent. The shopkeeper say no commenters, I would say.
Good boy.
And what me gonna do today? And what me gonna do? Cause I don't 5 cents me have what I would say.
It's a day for the durian. Just found this little roadside restaurant here. We're going to stop off, have a bite to eat while the rain dies down. And she has some fresh fruit over here in this little stall as well. And then you decide to go for some durian. And me being a massive durian fan myself, I think I'll help her. How is it, Jenny? Good.
See that in the showcases, I would say.
So the weather finally picked up in the end, and we decided to make our way onto the beach for a little stroll and a late swim before it gets dark. And I just want to show you here, this is the new community gym which was just recently built. It's 500 baht membership for 1 month. And the good news is they didn't close down the other one, the one that's 20 baht a session off the walkway at Beach Road that I go to, that I showed you in an early video. Still use that one, but this is the new one that everyone's coming to, and you can only pay monthly membership, 500 baht, and you can use it as much as you want. And it's a lot more spacious and modern, as you can see. And this is your view from the cross trainer. Pretty sweet, eh?
The man can't say that higher. Oh, the man mean I can't say that. Then where the police and soldiers dead for? Then what when a gunman back me up round the corner and a police and soldier not dead there? Where I go use for defend myself? Eh? According to what is going on in the world and society today, it motivates me to do this song I say.
Just a part of Babylon's plan.
Yeah, I said,
Thief a man, you even steal a rest of man.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Give me my gun, say me want my gun. Give me my gun, cause I not run. Give me my gun, say me want my gun. Give me my gun, cause my life can't done.
according to what is going on today, you have a lot of man with gun, although they say there no gun should be around. And when you take a stop, some man go to the ground and
Give me my gun, say me want my gun.
Chicken in town. It's the best chicken in town. Help up. Don't fly, don't fly, don't fly, don't fly. I miss the best, just a chicken.
Folks, dinner on the beach had to be cancelled tonight, so we got a takeout. Set up a spread on the floor here in the shop. There's boss having his nap, look. Good boy. Oh, sorry for waking you. There's the spread. Cheers, Jenny. I'm gonna tuck into all this grub now, folks. Looking good, innit? Check out that fish. Good, Jenny.
So nothing to worry about. You mix it up like this, you know.
Explosion! Coming to the nation with version.
Once again, folks, the lads are all together again, enjoying a nice Leo. You cannot beat it. Anyways, we had to have dinner in the shop. We got a takeout from Yasmin restaurant on the beach there in Lamai. And we wanted to go have dinner on the beach, but the rain let us down once again. It's been like that all week, folks. Just rain. You can put off any plans that you try and make, really can. But this is where I've been stationed for most of that time. This is what I've been doing. See the back cushions off the chair here? What I do is I put them down on each end. See here, and then I lie across and put the feet up like that. Oh yeah, it's a nice seat. And then right here beside me, I've got my book and then my phone. And I change between the two, you know, read my book, and then when I'm fed up reading my book, move on to the phone, watch a few YouTube videos. And then when I was doing the switch from book to phone, it was either from phone to book, I don't know. The feet stayed up, but I saw Jenny in the doorway over there just looking at me in shock and disbelief. She couldn't get over it. She's like, how could someone be so relaxed and lazy and enjoy it so much? Well, you know what, folks, I do enjoy being lazy when it's time to relax. Could say I have it down to a fine art. What is it? It's the simple things, isn't it? The simple things. When you know how to enjoy the simple things, you'll have a very long and prosperous and enjoyable life. That's my philosophy, and anyway, like that, one of my favourite sayings. What is it? It doesn't cost too much to be happy, yet you cannot put a price on happiness. I just think of that, lads, eh? Good one, isn't it? I don't think Liam's coming back to Ireland. He said he's going to hang back here. He's going to stay here with Jervis now and just drink Leos all the time. Well, if he can do it, fair play to him. Fair play to him. You're some man, Limo. What you reckon, folks? Shall we drink to that? Anyways, we'll call it a night at that, alright, folks? Until next time, okay? Keep her lit.
Now listen, road boy, for them will road boy, listen, yes we got the flow, cause when I'm on the rhythm yeah, me got the big soul. And when I'm on the rhythm, mind, body, them a soul. Now DJ drop the record, let the bad boy flow. Big bad shaker, girl